Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can see your jobs which you have applied to via Indeed. So let's get right into it. Now, what Indeed is a website very similar in function to LinkedIn where you can seek for a job and apply for a job online, as well as create your own resume and share it with possible employers and so on and so forth. Now, you can also sign up as an employer where you can post a job where you can view candidates who apply and search for employees which you will hire for your job. But yeah, as I've said in this tutorial, I will be explaining to you guys how you can see your jobs which you have applied to. So let's get right into it and let me show you how that is done. Now, for example, if I go for, I don't know, hiring immediately and search and find some random job, and let's say here, a caregiver, just click on that and apply on company site and so on and so forth, or just find anyone to apply to however you would like. But yeah, all of them require a company site. Some might not. I am not fully sure how this works. But yeah, let's say I applied for, I don't know, in-home caregiver. Let's say I applied for that, and to see which jobs I applied for, what you want to do is click on this sort of silhouette icon of a person and then just go into my jobs. Here in my jobs, you can see your saved, your applied, your interviews, and your archived jobs, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Click on applied and you'll see the jobs you applied for, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.